Let's talk about the 2024 Jeep Wrangler Rubicon 392, fresh for the 2024 year. So let's jump into it. So right away you'll notice that it gets a refreshed grille. It's a love-hate thing between everybody. I personally love it. And you still get the standard steel bumper group on this one with the optional winch from Warren. Then to signify that's at a 392, you get the gold hooks on the steel bumper. And then of course you get the gold outline on the Rubicon on the side of the hood. And then you get that functional hood scoop with the hydroglide system underneath, which is pretty cool. And when people roll up to you at a stoplight, they see 392 on the side of that hood scoop, letting them know you're in a V8. And no more side antenna, it's built right into the windshield there at the top, if you see those gold lines. And then so they filled that hole in with a new trail rated badge. And once again, the fender badge is matte black with the gold outline. And then that's just a reinforced hinge gate on the back, carry that bigger tire. Interior is nice and refreshed. We get that nice red stitch steering wheel, leather wrap dash, red stitching, the nice big screen with wireless CarPlay now, which is really nice in my opinion. No more cables everywhere, but I do like the leather wrap dash. It was nice to see in person. Everything else is pretty much the same except the grab handle. That leads right into the center section now, which gives it a nice smooth look. Once again, a nice shot of that big 12.3 inch screen. Nice side shot of that grab handle on the passenger side there, how it just leads right into the center section. And then of course you get the all red Rubicon 392 seats in the 2024. And if you guys catch it, the soundbar is shaped different too, and it tilts up just a little bit for the rear passengers. And they added the dome lights. They look a little bit different. If you guys like this video, hit that like button, subscribe if you haven't, and we'll see you in the next one.